In this video, we will go through the process to set up a VPN on our LC State Macbook. Start by opening your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but the process is about the same no matter which browser you choose to use. In the search bar, type lcsevpn.lcsc.edu and hit enter. You will be asked to sign into your LC State account. Be sure to use your full email address when signing in. If you find that you cannot log into the VPN website, please contact the help desk at extension 2231 to verify that you have VPN access. If you do not have VPN rights, your director will need to put in a help desk ticket. Once signed in, you'll be prompted by the F5 Endpoint Inspector to run an inspection on your machine. Click Start Inspection. On the next screen, click Download, and the installation file for the Endpoint Inspector will download. Once that file has downloaded, click on it to launch the installer. Your device will lead you through the installation process. During this process, you will need to enter your admin username and password, which were given to you when your device was set up. If you do not know what your admin account information is, please contact the help desk. Now that the Endpoint Inspector software has installed, we can select Close and the installer can be moved to the trash. Now, we can use the Click Here link. This link will prompt you to open the F5 Network's Endpoint Inspector. Go ahead and click Open. A security warning will pop up for the inspector. We will select the first option to always allow inspection from this site. The F5 Endpoint Inspector will determine if your computer's operating system and antivirus software are up to date. This inspection process occurs every time you connect to the VPN and can take a few minutes to complete. Once your computer passes the inspection, you'll be presented with the following screen. Scroll down if you need to and select the VPN icon. This will generate a screen asking you to start the connection. Click Start and you'll be presented with a screen to download the VPN. Click Download, and when the file finishes downloading, open it to run the VPN installer. You will once again be led through the installation process and required to enter your admin account information. Once that has completed, we can close the installer and move the package to the trash. Now that the VPN is installed, we can use the Click Here link. Next, click Start, and in the pop-up that generates, select Open F5 Networks VPN. The F5 VPN window will open and give us connection details. As long as this window says connected, you are able to access LC State's resources. You can close your web browser, but be sure to leave the F5 VPN application running until you are ready to disconnect. If you receive an error such as this one, stating that access is denied, there are a couple of things we can check. At the top of the screen, we can select our Sophos endpoint icon and open the Sophos window. From here, we will select Scan to run a full scan on our device. This scan can take up to 2 hours. If you are using an LC State-issued MacBook, this should be the only step that you need to take. The next 2 troubleshooting issues should only apply to personal machines, but it is always good to double-check your settings are correct. We will start by opening the System Settings menu. First, we'll make sure that our firewall is active by going to the Network tab on the left side. If you find that your firewall is inactive on your personal device, you will need to toggle this on. On an LC-issued device, this setting should already be toggled on. If not, please contact the help desk. Continuing in the System Settings menu, we will go to the General tab on the left side. From here, we will select Software Update. We can see here at the top, under Automatic Updates, that updates are managed by Lewis Clark State College. We can verify that the device updates automatically by clicking on this little circled eye. This device is set up automatically to check for updates, download new updates, and install macOS updates, so I know it's up to date. If your automatic updates are not turned on your personal device, you may need to run some updates for the VPN to work. If your LC State-issued device is not set up to update automatically, please contact the help desk to push automatic updates to your Mac device.